Excuse me, do you need help with something? Oh, good morning. Good morning. Oh, yes. Thank you. I'm looking for something like soft white cheese, but I cannot understand what is written here. Oh, I know this one. That's a type of fresh cheese they eat here a lot. It's similar to cream cheese, but saltier. You can use it on bread or in salads. Oh, interesting. In my country, we have something similar, but the name is very different. That's why I couldn't find it. Yeah, I understand. It's always tricky when you go shopping in another country. The packaging looks familiar, but the words are confusing. Exactly. By the way, your English is very good. Are you from here? Oh no, I'm not from here either. I'm just living in this country for work. I'm actually from a country on the American continent. English is my native language, but I'm learning the local language now. Oh, that's nice. I'm from a country in Asia. English is not my first language, but I use it when I travel. It helps a lot. I learned it when I was in school. Same here. English is useful everywhere, and it's great to meet people. I mean, people from so many cultures. This cheese brought us together. Yes, a magical cheese. So, tell me something. Do you eat this cheese often? Now I do. But in my country, we don't have this type of cheese. The first time I saw it, I thought it was butter. I made a sandwich with way too much. Oh no, that must have tasted strong, or not? Very. But now I know how to use it. I've lived here for a few months, so I've learned about their food. The first few weeks were interesting. In my country, we usually eat rice with almost every meal, and our cheese is usually sweet or very mild. When I tried the blue cheese here, I thought it was rotten. Yes, blue cheese is an adventure. The smell can scare you before you even taste it. Also, here people eat so much bread. In my country, we eat bread only sometimes, maybe for breakfast, but here it's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Exactly. And not just bread, so many kinds of bread. I've counted at least 10, 10 types in this store. In my country, bread is usually soft and sliced for sandwiches. In my home country, we don't eat cheese with bread like this. We use seaweed, rice, or noodles. So cheese with bread feels very strange. I felt the same, but now I enjoy it. I guess that's the beauty of travel. You try new things, even the strange ones. Of course, others are amazing. Yes, and not only food. I noticed that people here don't talk much on public transportation. In my country, it's normal to chat or speak on the phone. That's true. Here, people are very quiet in buses or trains. I once laughed loudly while watching a video, and everyone looked at me like I committed a crime. Oh no, same for me. I said hello to someone next to me on the tram, and they looked so uncomfortable. I felt like I was being a weird person. Here, personal space is very important, even in lines at the supermarket. They don't stand close like in other countries. At first, I thought the line was empty. Yeah, in my country, people stand very close. If you leave a big space, someone will just go in front of you. Also, greetings are different. In my country, people usually shake hands or maybe give a quick hug. But here, people give kisses on the cheek. And I never know if it's one, two, or three. Oh, yes, that was confusing for me too. The first time someone kissed me on the cheek, I was frozen. I didn't know what to do. Now I just follow their lead, unless I panic and offer a handshake by accident. And the eating habits? In my country, we use chopsticks. When I eat here, I try to use knife and fork, but I feel very slow, and that's not all. I always forget which hand holds what. Man, that's very confusing. I know what you mean. I still get confused about using a fork in the left hand and knife in the right. In my home country, we often use only a fork or a spoon. Another thing, here people drink so much coffee. In my country, we usually drink tea, and we drink it very hot. But here, coffee's everywhere, and they drink it cold. Yes, and the coffee sizes are so small here. In my country, we drink giant cups. I ordered a large coffee once and got something that looked like an espresso. Same. I was looking for green tea in the supermarket and it was hard to find. So many coffee options, but only a few teas. That's not good. Well, every culture is different. That's why I like talking to people like you. We are both foreigners, but from different worlds. Still, we understand each other. Yes, I agree. Today I came to buy cheese, and I live with a new friend. A cheese powered friendship. That's the best kind. Hey, do you want to grab a coffee or tea or beer after this? I'd love to hear more about life in your country. It's interesting. And I'll bring some bread and cheese. We can do an international food exchange. Perfect. But I warned you, our snacks are some are sweet, others are very spicy. Oh, come on. Bring it on. I like living dangerously. Then it's a plan. Let's check out and start our cultural exchange with food and fun. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support.